for you now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is super different, something I've never done before, obviously. So I had an extra bedroom in my home. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with it. Weston wants it to be a nursery, to be honest, and down the road, that's what it might become. But for now, I'm like, it's empty space. I have been wanting like my own basically huge walk-in closet. So I decided to do it on the cheap. You guys know I'm all about like making affordable things. So it's kind of like a DIY bedroom closet, and I totally understand not everybody has an entire bedroom to make into a closet, but hopefully you guys can just get some ideas from this video. I thought it'd just be fun to like film the entire process, which is what I did. So if you guys end up enjoying it, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, go follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a ton over there, and turn on your post notifications. Okay, I think that's enough rambling. Hopefully you guys like my whole bedroom transformed. But yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, this is what I have to work with. Weston's suitcase that literally exploded. Literally, I don't know what the heck happened here. I don't know what's going on. This is my old clothing rack that I brought from my old house. I feel like I'm gonna keep it just because I'm obviously gonna need a place to hang even more clothes, but eventually I do want to switch it out because it's not going to match. This is from a DIY that I did, and I painted the whole thing rose gold. Do you guys remember when rose gold was like the shizness? So that's what that's from. Then there's just a bunch of boxes over here that need to be unboxed. I got coats in there. I don't even know what these ones are. I'm assuming they're more clothes. So just a lot of stuff to clean up. I'm going to clean this all up to get a clean slate, and then we'll get to everything else.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me.
Okay, much better. I also took all those coats off and put them in the closet. I feel like on this wall, I'm gonna do 3 black frames, and then I need to find a print either on Etsy or somewhere like Desenio or something. So I'm gonna go do that on the computer right now and then send it to like a 1-hour printing place.
I'll take it tomorrow.
Okay, I forgot that I only have 2. These are the ones I bought, but they're a pretty decent size. They're 18 by 24. The only thing is a lot of times like Walgreens and places like that, they don't have this size, which is really odd. So I have to specifically get them at like, I think Staples or Office Max. But either way, okay, I'm gonna go, I'm on my computer right now. Then I'm gonna go to Etsy. Let's go find a print. Look at this, it already has like certain pics for me. I love this, a beach print with like pinks and whites. Am I gonna feel like that's too girly down the road? I might, but at the same time, they're prints that I can easily switch out. So I do like this one. That's so pretty. I feel like they know me too well. Do I want a beachy vibe though? I don't know. Or I can do some simple flowers like this, but I already have flowers down here in the living room. Look, this is a set of 2 for only $10. Okay, there were so many options and I really contemplated. I love the beach one. I think it's so pretty, but I have so many girly frames going on, so I wanted something a lot like just more simple, a lot more like minimalist. So I went with this one. I love it, and it's a set of 2 for only $8, you guys, so you can't really beat it. I just like the colors. It's a lot of blacks and whites, which is what I kind of wanted, with a little bit of nature. You can see the trees. I feel like it looks so pretty, so I'm gonna do this one. If you guys don't know how this works, I just realized that I didn't really explain it, but basically you just buy a digital print. There's other places where you can buy like the actual physical print, and you might get better quality. So you see it's just an instant download, and you just double check and make sure that they have the like ratio printing that you want, or basically for the size. So for example, let's see, where's 18 by, right here. So I need the 3:4 ratio, and they do have it. So then they're gonna send you the download link when you buy it, which is right here. So I need the 3:4. This one right here, so I'm gonna just download it. So here are the digital prints, and then you just, like I said, upload them to wherever you actually want to get them printed. So I'm uploading it on Office Depot's website, and there it is. See, it looks perfect. Okay, so the prints are ordered. While that's going, it's probably gonna take like 1 to 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these clothing racks. I bought 2 of them in the white color. They do have them in black also from Amazon. I will link them down below. They had some of the best reviews, and they said that they hold a lot of weight. I didn't want anything super cheap that's gonna break, but I also didn't want to break the bank and buy those like heavy duty industrial ones. Those ones were like $100. I was like, heck no, I'm not gonna spend that much, especially because I needed 2 at least right now. I feel like I might need another 2 more, but I want to see how big these are and how much space they like all that. I'm gonna put them together and then I'll show you guys what it looks like.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby.
One down, one more to go. That took me like 15 minutes, so this one will probably take me like 10 since I know exactly how to do it. Now it was really easy, and this one is a lot longer than this one that I had, which I thought was super short, so I'm actually really happy that this one's a lot longer, so it's gonna be able to fit a lot more clothes. So 2 of them might be perfect against this wall. Okay, this is what we got going on. I put them on this side of the bedroom because I don't know, this layout, I didn't know exactly which side, but I chose this side because I'm gonna put the 2 frames right there on top of the clothes racks. That's just sitting there in the meantime. These need to be unboxed, and then on this wall is where I'm gonna put like my whole like organizing shoe rack. I'm pretty sure it's pretty tall and big, which is why the frames can't go on this side. So I'm gonna get to building that.
I wanna make you sweat.
This is the rack I got. It's called the Anetri. I don't know exactly how to say it. This is definitely a lot heavier. Like when I was carrying this in, it's already much heavier for just this compared to the clothing rack. So it's gonna look like this though.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all.
All right, here we have the shelves where I'm gonna put shoes, and then I left that corner over there because that's where I'm gonna put a full length mirror. So I'm gonna take you guys to Home Goods right now to find one, and then I'm also gonna get like a pretty rug. And then I think that's gonna kind of complete my whole little like DIY closet slash filming space. I feel like this is gonna be perfect to film hauls in. It's nice and clean right now. I need a vacuum. Go get those things, take you guys shopping with me, and then the full closet reveal. You guys, I changed into a cute outfit just because it's Saturday and I wanted to put something cute on. But anyways, just thought I'd interrupt with a little OOTD because I think it's cute and casual and so comfy. This is from ASOS. I have a ton of other band tees. None of them are as soft and like just so soft and good quality as this one. Zara shorts, and then these boots that I've had for a little bit. I don't remember where I got them. Misguided maybe? It was one of those sites where they're really affordable. I'll have to find them and link the whole outfit down below. Oh, and then this purse I've also shown you guys on Instagram a handful of times. It's quilted and super cute. Okay, now I'm really ready to go to Home Goods.
I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
Okay, here are the 2 prints. Let me take off these rubber bands. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm holding it with one hand. These look so good. Okay, this looks actually a lot better than I thought, and a lot better than getting like a photo paper. Normally, I just get them on a photo paper from like Walgreens, like I said. These ones did cost a little bit more, but I guess that's kind of what happens. When you pay more, you get better quality. Okay, these are the rugs we have to work with. I found my favorite one. This one. But it's $130. It is really soft. I don't know if I want to spend over $100 for this particular room. And since it's just for the office, I also found, where'd it go? This one's only $50. It is like a way cheaper, just kind of feels like an outdoor rug, like, see how it bends and stuff, but I feel like it'll do the trick, and I like the colors, it goes well. Mirror selections, there's actually quite a few. I can go silver. I kind of like this one, it's just kind of like a rustic white. They're all around $80, it looks like, which is usually the price here, I feel like. There's actually even more over here. Honestly, there's a pretty good selection. I don't know which one I want. This was the winner right here. I love it. I feel like it can go with so many different things, and it looks like it's like really good, high quality. It's literally barely fits in the car. It's a huge one too. It's like, it was one of the tallest ones they had for sure. Okay, I laid the rug down. This is what we have now. The mirror's here. The mirror looks so good. I like it a lot, especially because all the shoes will go here, but you can't see them whenever I take pictures or whenever I take video. You definitely can't see any of that. I still need to go get the prints and the frames from downstairs, and I'm gonna hang them up against that wall. I'm just gonna use monkey hooks. I feel like they're the easiest thing. This rug I do really like, although I think it looks a little funny just kind of sitting there in the middle of the room. I think I'm gonna kind of pull it up under these clothes racks are under the shoes. I'm not sure which side, but you know, kind of angle it and put it on one of the sides. The good thing about these like cheaper frames is that it's not real glass, so I'm not too worried if it were to actually fall off. And it's super light, so I can hang it up easily. I'm literally just gonna use a little monkey hook.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything.
We made a lot of progress. My camera's dying, so I have to use my phone now, but look how good it looks. And I do like the rug positioned over here under the clothes racks. And then I got my 2 little picture frames up. I feel like 3 might have looked better. That's okay. I mean, it still looks fine. Okay, you guys, these shelves are actually like a decent size. They definitely hold a lot more shoes than I expected. This is a little more, this is probably like 75% of my shoes. The rest are a lot of like knee-high boots and other like winter boots, so I didn't put those out here. How good does this look? Whoever thought I'd be this organized? I put a lot of like my flat boots and stuff up here, black boots here, colored boots, and then like wedges, sandals, things like that. And then I am going to put my tennis shoes that I used to like work out in, or just like leisure kind of shoes here, since there is a little bar, but tennis shoes should be able to like slide right in. So that is everything. It took me like 10 minutes to put everything in here. I was actually surprised. For this video, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I told you guys, it's not your everyday video. It's not something I would do every day. I have been wanting like my own big walk-in closet for so long. I do have a walk-in closet, but I knew that that would not be enough space. So I transformed that entire bedroom into like a mini closet, and now it works to like do all my hauls in there, film. It's just such a good filming space, especially to show you guys outfit of the days, all that fun stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the whole process and just seeing how it all came together. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.